This is after maybe 2 hours this morning. We got this clear. We've got a mammoth machine up here just ripping. Oh, this is awesome. So my job is I dug this whole road here, which is pretty daunting this morning, to dig my car out over here. All right, set the camera up. Gloves on and away I go. Comes the mean machine. This is going to be amazing. Yeah, this is magic time. Still making good progress. Looking great. Cars clean all the way around this side. It's a lot of snow we've dug. This is just crazy. Just love that machine. Looking good. And it's a Honda. We love the Honda. So my job now is just to clear all the snow up here. I would say there was, I don't know, 60 to 80 kg of snow on top of the car. You can see having the old car cover on really saves the paint and saves the whole thing from being scratched. People use the wrong side of these. The car scratched a few times by goodwill neighbours. Some black and blue. You can damage Bruce's car. So basically, I leave it. But the news is, from maybe lunchtime, we have got another major downpour. So it's start again. One by one. Beam is safe for a couple of hours. This is all cleared off. Yeah, it's hard to say, but I actually quite like it, which is pretty sick.